Welcome back everyone. Let's get back to another technical analysis video breakdown, and today's focus is going to be POL coin. Now, since last time we did see pretty good rejection in this region, so I think we were somewhere here where we expected a slight downside movement on the smaller time frames, and now price is back up here. Today we had to actually do a technical analysis on the dot coin, but we will do just image based analysis on this one. So what we are seeing is a clean pressure once again to this 200 EMA area, and at the same time to this resistance area, which might open for us potential upside movement towards at least like 150 to 200% of market price movement, so in this region somewhere. Now, what this means is we have to wait for a clean breakdown, not breakdown, but breakout, and it should be something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, going to drag it here for you, like that, and actually I will do much better. So, let's just imitate this movement here. And what we should see is basically a breakout, maybe a retest, maybe not, depends on the market structure development, but that's the game plan that we are seeking for. So we want to see a clean breakout from this region. So once we see the breakout, this would mean that we would immediately enter into a long position with smaller margin, and upon seeing the smaller correction moment, we would enter and top up the position near this retest area. Now there is also a case where we just might explode to upper zones and form something like this. In this case, we just have to like dollar cost average the position on the upper areas. But ideally, again, we already are going to enter once we see the breakout, because alt season is about to happen. You want it or no, and there might be a very volatile movement on the market, so we might actually not even retest any kind of zones. So that being said, on the daily time frame, we are very bullish on the POL coin. And before finishing this video, going quickly to the smaller time frames just to check. So we can see we had this first retest area where we expected some kind of downside movement. Sorry, it wasn't this area at all. It was previously, but nevertheless, we had a nice upside movement, then a correctional moment, again a correction moment, and now strong buy side dominance from the buyers, which means that there is still a moment forming. So we had a strong sell side candles, a buy off, small correction, and another buy off, actually forming here right now a breakout structure on smaller time frames might give us potentially a good buying opportunity on the smaller time frames. So with that being said, seeing currently, oh, that's 30 seconds. I thought that's 30 minutes. Let's go to the 30-minute then. So, the 30-minute, I thought why it's so strange that we moved so quickly. Nevertheless, still seeing pretty good upside movement. Based on this, you can see and clearly understand that all of the videos that we do, we never pre-record, we just spontaneously open the chart and take a look. So, currently pressuring the upper area. As soon as we see the breakout, we would enter potentially into a smaller buy side position here. We see that actually there is really good dominance, so each sell side has been like bought quickly off by the buyers, and we have formed actually like lower low, higher low, higher low, and higher low. So here you can see clearly much better. So higher low, and higher low, and right now we are on the verge to form another like breakout area. So that being said, we are very bullish on the POL coin, and that's the coin that we actually also hold as a spot holdings. So without one thing more, this area here that we formed, that's actually not the all-time high for the POL coin, because it was the rebranded. I think we mentioned this already multiple times, but just in case if you haven't seen any of our previous videos, this is not the all-time high zone. So that zone to be reached within current alt season that's about to happen, it's more than realistic. So that's it for the POL coin. Once again, thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.